Let me show you the difference that choosing the right insurance company versus choosing the wrong insurance company when getting life insurance as a pilot can make on the price you're going to pay. Now, in this situation, we see this quite often at Term Life HQ. We work only with pilots and the occasional spouse of a pilot when we're getting them together. But when you have this situation of a male 55 years old, that's a common age we see for a commercial pilot. Obviously, there's younger and older, but this is an average age we see commercial pilot. And we're focusing on Part 91, Part 135. And let's assume this pilot is flying a Gulfstream or a Challenger or a Citation, something of that nature. They're flying internationally, whether it's Mexico, Bahamas, Canada, or it's across the ocean to Europe and Africa and all those other countries over there. The rate would still be the same, but choosing the wrong company can make a vast difference in the price you're going to pay because each company has their own underwriting requirements that they need to be able to underwrite this kind of pilot. And some are much more strict and some are much more lax. And not all companies are the same, not all are pilot friendly. So let's take a look. We're going to look at the other company first. And this is a male age 55 commercial pilot. This is a $1 million 20-year term. We could do 10-year, 15-year, different scenarios. But here we're looking at 1 million 20-year term. And if you just choose a random company and went and got insurance with them, that policy would cost $511 a month. That's a lot of money for $1 million policy as a 55-year-old. Now, if you go with a company that we would recommend, you're going to save a ton of money and only pay $259. Now, that's almost double the price from one company to the other, and there's no difference in the pilot. Same pilot, same job, same aircraft, same health, just two different insurance companies. Or you're like, well, Tom, how do you know which insurance company? Well, that's the question. And that's why you need to work with a company and an agent that understands pilots and knows what companies will fit the type of pilot that you are. Now, if you're a different type of pilot, private pilot, maybe you do aerobatics, maybe you do agriculture, totally different scenario, different companies we would choose. So when you're getting your life insurance, not all companies are equal. Make sure you're choosing the company that's pilot friendly and you're going to save a ton of money.